All right, guys, we got everything here to load up. Step one, all of our items in the truck. Boom. Step two, doggo in the truck. Yeah, new step. Ready? Oh. Boom. Step three, Tootie in the truck.
Let me make sure.
Shut up. Boom. And let's hit the road. We are off to camp. We've got an hour-and-a-half drive, but we'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. We're like 10 minutes from our camp, but check out these awesome views of the Allegheny River. Runs all the way through Pennsylvania, all the way through down to Pittsburgh, where it meets at the point, where they call it the Three Rivers, where the Allegheny, the Ohio, and the Monongahela rivers converge. So we are like 2.5 hours north of Pittsburgh, right here in Pennsylvania. So we're almost at camp. Let me catch up to Tootie way up there, and we'll see you at camp. It's home away from home. Lawn needs cut. Oh, Henry, where are we at? Are we at camp? Are we at camp? We made it. Feels good to jump out on these new steps I installed. Video, you can check that out. All right. Hello, doggy. You tinkle. It's a time to tinkle. So welcome to the shed here at camp. We got Tootie's four-wheeler, the Yamaha Grizzly 350. Mine's the Yamaha 450 with the independent rear suspension, and we have our wagon. The wagon is very useful here at camp. The wagon hauls gear down to the creek. So let's attach this guy up. And there we go. I don't have a cotter pin, I don't know where it is. But we got a little bit of weed whacking to do. So we're gonna throw that in there. Mrs. Mooch got her hair pulled back. Tootie's ready to ride. That's not an alcoholic beverage, we'll blur that out. Get some, get some, get some. All right, start up your beast of a machine. Oh yeah. Henry, you wanna go on the four-wheeler? It's his favorite. Henry, you wanna ride with me or mama? Come on, let's go. Henry's favorite thing is the ride on the four-wheeler. Come on, up, up. Yeah. He doesn't jump up on his own though, he has trouble. So he sits right there. Good boy. And then we have to bring his leash because he'll run all over the woods. Oh yeah. Let's ride!
Watch my dog.
Woo! There he is! Big dog with the big machine. Tootie over here always has the hugest reservations about our little lover boy, our little Henry, riding on the four-wheeler because she always thinks he's gonna fall off.
He fell off once.
But Henry never falls off because he's a good boy and he just sits down and he's a good boy. See? The Yamaha 450 is a great machine, guys. It's a 2014. My wife's quad back here. It's a 2014 as well. I surprised her with that for her birthday a couple years ago, like 2015. It was a leftover model. and she loves driving her own quad, and I love driving my own quad, and we have fun times up here. So hope you're enjoying the vlog so far, but let's get you down to a beautiful area where we got a little bit of work to do, but we're gonna show you some awesome, beautiful scenery here on Mooch Life. Where we camp at, we have over 500 acres of property that our club likes to hunt, fish, and ride, and sunbathe, and swim, and cook out. It's really a marvelous little piece of heaven for us. Look how beautiful these hills are we get to drive through, guys. All these rocks. I mean, it's like, geez Louise. We are down at the creek. We call it the creek. Even though it's a creek, we say crick around these parts. And this is where we come to get away. Pretty cool. We got some deer tracks in the mud there, guys. This crazy guy right here. Can-Am, baby. Uncle Sean takes good care of you, huh? We got Can-Am squad up here. We got the camo and the yellow. Both badass machines for sure. Four-wheel drive. Not too bad. A little mud, a little bit of mud. What we got going on here. We got Henry on the couch, and this is our Heartland Prowler 26-foot camper. It's like 29 feet to the tongue, but this is what we're dealing with. We got a queen bed, some covers and stuff. It's really nice. You got a privacy curtain that we can slide across there. This is a couch. It folds down into a sleeps 2 kind of bed couch. This dinette lowers down, that turns into a sleep 2. And Tootie's over here watching, what are you watching? Air Force One. We got a radio that controls 2 speakers on the ceiling and 2 outdoor speakers there. We got the sink, we got a stove with 3 burners, we got a fridge, freezer, and a microwave there. The bathroom's pretty cool. We opted for the bigger bathroom package versus bunk beds. So we got a nice big shower, big for a camper anyhow. Sink and mirror and toilet and some storage. It's pretty neat. So our little door we can lock for privacy. This is our view from the dinette. Nothing but woods there. Pretty cool. And that's what we're dealing with. So this is the inside of the camper. Let's show you the outside, some of the features there real quick. We got a little bit of storage there. It's got an awning. There's the 2 outdoor speakers. And then over here is pretty cool. This is our outdoor kitchen. So we got some cupboards, we got a sink there, then got the fridge. Can open that up. We got all our drinks in there. And then we got the propane grill where that hose will hook up right underneath here into there. Good for all our cooking needs. So that is pretty much the camper in a nutshell, guys. It's a Heartland Prowler. We'll pan back here so you can see it. That in combination with our shed where we keep our stuff in our little fire pit area, it really is a little slice of heaven for us, a home away from home. Thanks for tagging along on this camping trip with the Mooches. Tootie, Henry the Puggle, and myself appreciate it so much. We didn't realize it, but the audio to the camera mic malfunctioned, and the entire dinner footage has 0 sound. Nonetheless, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the bell for future uploads. Until next time, I'm Mooch, this is Mooch Life, and peace out.